Hello and welcome to the very first building video of the £10 workshop challenge. If you haven't seen what items I have to work with, I suggest you go back and watch the shorts. There's two shorts. One was month one, obviously, and the second one was this month's pickups. So the way I'll be doing pickups, I'll be doing them all in the form of shorts, so they're just like 60 seconds saying what I got for that month. Okay, so from the first month and this month, let's see what I have to work with. I've got some poster paints, PVA glue, stationery set, knives, brushes, some grey board I got off eBay, and the envelope that it came in. So that'll come in handy. It's okay card, some foam core board, and obviously a cutting mat, and the desk that you can't quite see, but if you follow me on Instagram you'll have seen it. The desk I got for free off Facebook, a very nice lady. And okay, so for this build I'm going to be making some ruined buildings for Warhammer 40k, and I think mainly foam core board, then some details with grey board, and use the envelope. Okay, so let's crack on.